That is a very powerful collaborative tool.
In the recording process, the software will continuously upload that high-quality recording to the cloud. Now, during recording, you may notice some grainy or pixelated quality from your remote guests. But don't worry, thanks to local recording, you're still getting a high-quality audio and video that will be available to download afterwards.
And since you're here,
Hey, Carrie, you checking in on Nick?
we recommend doing a short test recording. Invite a friend or colleague to really get the full experience. And once you're done, you can download each person's separate recording or export a finished product with everyone in split screen using the edit.
I know my man's in the city. I can hear that siren. I know that siren. And my man's in the city. I know that siren, man.
Should we get started?
Absolutely. Let's head into the studio and experience the magic that is high-quality local recording.
Come on, y'all could have edited that out, man. Come on, guys. Y'all could have edited that out sooner, man. Come on, guys. Come on, man. Y'all could have just edited it out right here, man. Come on, guys. Come on, man. Boom. Edit. Done. Video's done. Cut. Done. Come on, people. Come on, guys. Come on. These are the samples of the recording files. Good morning, NC worker. Oh, yeah, it's 12 o'clock. Good morning. Let's see. So this is Bridget's quality. So this is what happens when you record. You can generate show notes. Okay. Let's see if we can... High quality. Oh, shit. You can download the raw video, the aligned video with padding added at the start if someone joined mid-call or if media was shared. This ensures all tracks line up when you combine them in editing software. You can pull, holy shit. You can pull the audio as a WAV file. Hold on. Oh.
Riverside creates 3 different types of recordings for each session, including high-quality tracks, which are ideal for editing and creating your final show.
Red Sings the Blues, what's up? I just finished recording my video, so is this new version of StreamYard worth the pay increase? No, we already, you know, we already got past StreamYard. I mean, I cannot in good faith say that I can't say that you should pay for StreamYard, right? Because of what it seems like the company is doing. I don't agree with their business practices. I don't like the lack of communication. I don't like how the company's operating. It feels like the company has, even after the multiple acquisitions, the company is just a shell of what it formerly was. The service is still top tier. Is that a streaming? Yeah. So Riverside, to wrap up on StreamYard, if you have no problem paying $45 a month for what StreamYard is offering you, go ahead. But as of right now, what I'm looking at with Riverside, I would say you should give your money to Riverside.